the ultimate guide to lace closures in 2025 to 4x4, 5x5, and HD lace explained. Achieving a flawless, scalp-like install is the gold standard in the hair game. While trends come and go, the lace closure remains the undisputed queen of low-maintenance, high-glam protective styles. Whether you are a beginner looking for your first wig or a seasoned stylist upgrading to high-definition materials, understanding the nuances of closures is essential. In this guide, we break down everything you need to know about 4x4 lace closure, 5x5 lace closure, and the revolutionary HD lace closure options dominating the market in 2026. https://the-ultimate-guide-to-lace-closure-in-2026/ #lace closure. Number 4x4 lace closure. Number 5x5 lace closure. #HD lace closure. #raw hair luxury.